What can you do if you have tried everything but sales still doesn't grow? Is the problem with your ads, the offer, the follow-up, or something else? How can you figure out what's really holding your business back and know what to focus on next? That's where the AARRR Framework by Dave McClure comes in. The AARRR model, sometimes called the Pirate Matrix, is a simple but powerful way to map your entire customer journey from beginning to end. It stands for acquisition, how people first discover you; activation, their first meaningful experience; retention, keeping them coming back; referral, getting them to tell others; and revenue, actually making the sale. You can use this model to diagnose where your business is really having trouble. Let's go through each stage in turn with the critical questions you need to ask and the warning signs to look out for at each stage. Stage 1. Acquisition. Acquisition is about how customers first discover your business. The question here is, are we attracting the right people? It's a common mistake to think that more traffic means more sales, but that only works if you get qualified traffic. Watch for these warning signals. High traffic but low conversions, leads that don't match your ideal customer profile, or ad spend with poor ROI. Your goal is quality over quantity. Make sure every marketing dollar targets people who are actually likely to buy from you. Stage 2. Activation. Activation is the customer's first meaningful experience with your business. The key question is, are they engaging in a meaningful way? Traffic is useless if people leave the minute they land on your website. You need to deliver that aha moment where they truly experience the value you bring and take a meaningful first step. Look for telltale signs like high drop-off after landing pages, low sign-up or low trial conversion rates, confusing or high-friction onboarding. Your goal is to reduce friction and make your value instantly clear. Stage 3. Retention. Retention is about keeping customers engaged over time. The question is, are they coming back? It's more expensive to acquire new customers than to retain them. Look for these warning signals. High churn or cancellation rates, low repeat usage or logins, or customers disengaging after the first use. Your goal is to maintain engagement and deliver continuous value. Stage 4. Referral. Referral is where satisfied customers share your product with others. The question here is, are customers telling others about us? Word of mouth is the most trusted and cheapest way to grow. But you can't just hope for referrals. You have to engineer them. Look for these signals that your referral engine isn't working. Low or no referral activity, no sharing or word of mouth traffic, or incentives that don't get used. Your goal is to make referring easy and appealing. Stage 5. Revenue. This is where you actually capture value. The question is, are customers buying and buying enough? You can nail all the other stages but still fail if your offer doesn't convert. Watch for these signs that revenue is your bottleneck. High cart abandonment, low conversion rates on pricing pages, or poor upgrade or upsell performance. Here, your goal is to make buying as easy and compelling as possible. With this framework, you can stop guessing and start diagnosing where you're stuck in your funnel. And here's a pro tip. Don't try to fix everything at once. Just focus on one stage at a time. Zoom in on your most critical stuck point, then apply the right strategies and channels to fix it. This way, you'll avoid the overwhelm while getting the most bang for your buck. If you found this helpful, explore our summaries of lean analytics, traction, and other business classics in the description below. Remember to subscribe and check out the next video for more tips to grow your business with confidence.